Hello, my name is Pedro Faria. I'm a key account manager here at T1V. And today we're going to be demonstrating our software on this ultra-wide, brand new planar displays, 105-inch display, 5K. And this should show that our software is pretty agnostic on any size of the displays. So our canvas allows us to bring multiple pieces of content. We can bring whiteboards. I have the ability here to annotate on them, make them go full screen with a touch of a button. If I want, I can take a snapshot of that, save that for later. I can bring browsers, notes, sketch, multiple of them at the same time. Our canvas is very large. It's 20 times bigger than what we are seeing right now. So I have the ability to have a ton of pieces of content under a session. We can also bring PDFs, videos, images directly into the canvas. And again, because they are pieces of content here in the canvas, I'll have the same capability. Notice here that this video is being played. I can take a snapshot of them, save that for later. And we can integrate a canvas with a video conference call as well. So I can invite ThinkHub. ThinkHub is going to be a video participant on Zoom, Teams, Webex, any video conference. And if I share my screen, I'm going to be able to share this ultra-wide with all of my remote participants, and they're going to be able to see everything that is happening on the canvas directly from their computer. For more information with T1V, please visit us at t1v.com.